Hi, we've just added a brand new feature to our social inbox in NapoleonCat. It's called Translations. You can translate all incoming messages in over 100 languages supported by Google Translate and reply in the language of the person you're addressing. Translations work with all platforms available in our social inbox: Facebook, Messenger, Instagram Ads, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Google My Business. With translations, you can scale your business, but not necessarily your budget. Let me show you how it works. So, we access the inbox. We've got all the incoming messages and comments here. You'll see the translate button at the bottom of each incoming message. In the vast majority of cases, the language of the original message will be automatically detected. But you can also change the language of the message yourself. And in this box, you can choose the language that you want to translate to. So I click on the box and choose the language. Once you indicate your preferred language, NapoleonCat will remember it, and the language will be automatically set for other translations. But of course, you can change the language at any time. So, I click on Translate. The translation will be visible directly below the original text. It's possible to translate the message multiple times. Once you understand what the message is about, you can answer in the language of the person you're addressing. To reply to a message, simply click on it. You'll see a new window where you can type the message in your native language. If you previously translated the incoming message, both the language you write in and the one you want to translate to will be set automatically. If for any reason the languages don't match your preferences, you can change the language manually. I write my reply in English, and I click on Translate. And here's my translated reply. You can also edit your translated answer, but I did have some German lessons in the past, so it looks good to me. Once your answer is ready, just click on the yellow comment button to comment back, or on the white comment and archive button to comment back and archive the conversation. Let's translate and reply to another message that this time comes from Facebook. The language was automatically detected. I translate it to English. I click on the message. What you need to know is that if you want to mention someone in your reply on Facebook, you have to type in the @ symbol. You'll see a list of suggested users. Simply choose the person you want to mention from the list. Once you translate your reply, the mention will be visible in the form of a number. This is nothing to be worried about. The answer will be published properly with the author's name on the dedicated social platform. If you wish to conquer social media, just hit the link down below and sign up for our free 2-week trial. And if you have any questions, just contact us through our website and we'll be more than happy to help you guys. Until next time, bye-bye.